How to edit pages on Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit pages on Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, you can go to squarespace.com and you will have to log into your account. Once you log in, you're going to select the website you want to edit. It will take you to the Squarespace editor, and here you can see before we click on edit, we have all of these different options. We have pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, and more. So you're going to click on pages right here to edit the pages of your website. Now it'll show you your main navigation, what you have on your website. It'll also show you some of the not linked pages, hidden pages, all the pages that you have. In order to edit the page, you're going to select the page from here. Let's say I want to edit the blog page. Once you select it, it will open up all of the different, elements that we have here, and it will also show you the page here. Now, I want to edit the blog page. For that, you're going to click on edit option. And if you want to change some settings for the page, then you're going to click on settings, and it will allow you to change the page title. We have navigation title, URL slug, enable page, SEO, social images, feeds, and more. So you can actually check out the settings from here. You can also create a sub page to it. And if you want to edit, just click right here and it will open up the editor for you. And now you can edit everything. For example, edit the site header, and you will be able to change what's written here. It says your site title. I'm going to change it to, let's say, how to digital. So you can see this is how we edit a page. There are different elements that we can add to it. Once you're done, click on done and save. Your page will be saved. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.